little shopping today at Target. In their value section, I picked up a few of these seed packets. They were $3 each. What I liked about these is that it's a wooden box. The seeds are inside of a wooden box. And that looks like a drawer. Carefully remove the sticker. It's leaving a little bit of residue. I just have to take my time and slowly remove this sticker. Why do they always put stickers on stuff like this? Don't you know we want to craft with it? That took a moment to remove the sticker, but now we can see if this is a drawer. It does come out, but it's on the side. Really, people? That is very unexpected. I was not expecting for the opening to be on the side. Okay, but you know what? We can still work with this. Let's remove the seed packets and go and plant those. With this little wooden box, we can totally make a table. Take 4 bamboo skewers, cut them down, cut 4, sand the edges, glue the skewers underneath the box. I'm using hot glue. I glue the leg on at a slight angle. Let's file down the bottom of those legs just a little. I should have did this before I glued it on. To make a little side table, I'm gonna paint it with brown acrylic paint to make it stand out. This is a great little space. We can put books and magazines in there, maybe a lamp on top, or one of our paper plants. But I love that we were able to make a table pretty quickly for $3. Let's take 6 of the little seed boxes, glue them together, cut bamboo skewers, glue them underneath. To add a little height, paint it to make a matching TV stand. I like using my cell phone as a miniature TV. So I take 2 jumbo craft sticks, cut the ends off of one, measure it to the back of the stand. I want there to be contact going all the way down and have a few inches above. Take the other craft stick and cut about a 3-inch piece. Sand any rough edges, glue them together, making a T. Take 2 large black paper clips, bend the short side up, then bend the top over. Place the paper clip onto the craft sticks, make a mark at the top, bend on the line marked, glue the paper clip onto the craft stick. I am very generous with the glue. I want to make sure it is on there. And I bent the top down. Repeat on the other side. They are on there pretty good. Paint it black. Glue it onto the stand to make a cell phone stand. That looks like a TV on a TV stand. Little disclaimer, cell phones are expensive. This is made with paper clips. There is a possibility that the cell phone could fall off the stand and break into 1,000 little pieces. Proceed with caution. Craft at your own risk. You have been warned. But I am totally going to use this. The base is pretty solid. All of the wood makes it kind of heavy so that my cell phone ain't going anywhere. But you never know, so. And this would probably look better if I used a black cell phone case instead of pink. If you don't want to use your expensive cell phone, then we can always use a case from the dollar store and a picture. I have quite a few of the little boxes left over. I'm gonna glue 2 together, sharpen the ends of some of the leftover bamboo skewers with a pencil sharpener, file it smooth, glue them underneath, paint it to make a desk. Take 3 of the box inserts, glue 2 together, take a cotton fabric, cut small rectangles, and cover the sides. We're gonna glue that right in place using a hot glue gun. I use thin lines of glue, then push the fabric down quickly to smooth it out. Cover both sides, repeat on the smaller one, measure a piece of cardstock to the width of the boxes, cut a long strip, glue the 2 boxes together, take the cardstock and fold it over the boxes, trim where needed, remove the cardstock from the boxes, place it onto the fabric, Glue the fabric onto the cardstock, then glue the cardstock over the boxes, tucking it underneath. I want to make sure this has some really good contact, so I'm gluing every inch of the way. Glue legs underneath, paint them to make a chair that we can use with the desk, make more than one, and place them on the sides of the side table. Wow, we were able to get a lot of furniture out of those seed boxes. Side table, chairs, desk, TV stand. It has a very mid-century modern type of feel. We got a little crazy with the fabrics here, but sometimes an over-the-top chair is just what your room needs. And this is perfect for our dolls. Garden seed packets, dollhouse fun find. Who knew? Thank you for joining us while we turn some Target fun finds into dollhouse miniatures. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time.